nightstands have a habit of collecting more than you expect. What starts as a lamp and a phone charger can quickly expand into books, notebooks, electronics, medications, and a rotating collection of items that somehow never leave the room. In this video, we're taking a closer look at the Silk Snow Bergen Nightstand, including its construction, storage configurations, design details, and practical features. We'll also compare the 1-drawer and 3-drawer versions, examine the materials and finish options, and look at how each configuration functions in everyday use. If you'd like to check the current Canadian prices or explore the available configurations, you'll find those details linked below. The Bergen Nightstand puts more attention on storage than many bedside tables while maintaining a softer and more refined appearance. Inspired by European interiors, the design combines clean lines with warm materials and subtle details that keep the piece feeling approachable. The nightstand is available in both 1-drawer and 3-drawer configurations. The 1-drawer version combines enclosed storage with a larger open section beneath it, while the 3-drawer model dedicates more of its footprint to concealed storage. Both versions are available in natural and walnut finishes, allowing the appearance to shift between lighter and darker wood tones while preserving the same overall design. The additional storage options help distinguish the Bergen from more basic bedside tables without making the piece feel oversized. The Bergen nightstand combines oak veneer and engineered wood construction with a solid oak base. That combination allows the piece to maintain the look of oak while also creating a structure intended for everyday regular use. Like other furniture in the collection, the nightstand is artisan-crafted using natural materials and hand-applied finishes. Variations in color and grain are expected as a result, meaning individual pieces may differ slightly from one another. Silk Snow also notes that the materials are treated without formaldehyde, which may be relevant for people who pay closer attention to the materials used throughout their home. Much of the design relies on the oak finish and cleaner detailing instead of larger decorative elements, helping the piece maintain a more refined appearance. Storage is one of the biggest distinctions between the two Bergen nightstand configurations. The 1-drawer version pairs a single enclosed drawer with a larger open shelf underneath. That combination provides space for books, baskets, electronics, or other frequently used items while still keeping some storage concealed. The 3-drawer model moves in a different direction by replacing the open section with additional enclosed storage. The extra drawers create more separation between items and provide additional room for bedside organization without increasing the overall footprint. Since the two layouts support noticeably different organization styles while occupying similar amounts of space, the Bergen nightstand earns a storage score of 9 out of 10. Storage may be the defining practical feature, but the Bergen nightstand also puts a lot of attention on appearance. Silk Snow describes the inspiration as coming from European interiors, and that influence is most visible in the softer lines and restrained styling throughout the piece. One of the more distinctive details is the tambour-inspired texture, which adds interest without relying on larger hardware or decorative accents. Combined with the oak finish and softer profile, the design feels warm and approachable without drifting into a more minimalist look. The natural and walnut finishes also create different looks while preserving the same core design. Since the styling avoids stronger trend-driven details, the nightstand can fit comfortably into a variety of bedroom spaces. Between the texture detailing, softer shape, and flexible finish options, the Silk Snow Bergen nightstand earns a design score of 9 out of 10. The Bergen nightstand focuses on practicality rather than extra features, with several small details intended to make ownership easier. One of the biggest conveniences is that both configurations arrive fully assembled. That means the nightstand can be placed directly into a room and used immediately after delivery. Care requirements are also fairly minimal. Silk Snow recommends cleaning the surface with a white cloth, mild soap, and warm water before allowing it to air dry or drying it with a soft cloth. Cork padding underneath helps reduce slipping while also protecting flooring from scratches. Rather than adding specialized features, the design prioritizes ease of use and low maintenance ownership. Between the a fully assembled delivery, simple upkeep, and practical everyday details, the Silk Snow Bergen Nightstand earns a practical feature score of 8.5 out of 10. The Bergen Nightstand is priced at approximately $475 for the 1-drawer version and $575 for the 3-drawer model. Most of that difference comes from the storage layouts. Both versions use the same materials, finishes, and general design, but the 3-drawer model replaces the open shelf with additional enclosed storage. As a result, the decision is likely to come down to organizational needs more than appearance. The 1-drawer version offers a mix of concealed and open storage, while the 3-drawer configuration dedicates more space to keeping bedside items tucked away. Silk Snow offers a 30-day return period for the Bergen Nightstand, providing some time to see how the size, storage layout, and overall fit work within your space. For returns, Silk Snow notes that the nightstand must be placed back in the original packaging. It must also be in donatable condition without any signs of damage or excessive wear. Customers are responsible for any return shipping costs. The Bergen Nightstand is additionally backed by a 5-year furniture warranty beginning on the delivery date. Additional warranty information and current policy details can be found through the links in the description below. The Bergen Nightstand stands out because it gives storage a much larger role in the overall design than many bedside tables. The 1-drawer and 3-drawer configurations create meaningful differences in how the piece functions without changing its appearance. The flexibility is supported by softer styling, tambour-inspired detailing, and finish options that help the nightstand feel more decorative than purely utilitarian. Whether you prefer open access to frequently used items or additional enclosed storage, the two configurations provide distinct approaches to bedside organization while maintaining the same overall look. You can find current Canadian pricing and additional product details linked below. And if you found the review useful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments.